Hey everyone, it's Mr. Calwayne here with Calwayne Health TV. Are you struggling to stick to healthy eating habits? Today I'm going to share simple tips to help you make healthy eating a lifelong habit and shed those extra pounds for good. Let's get started. The key to long-term success is to start small. Instead of overhauling your entire diet overnight, begin by making 1 or 2 healthier choices each day. Swap out that afternoon snack of chips for a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Small changes add up over time. What's one small change you can make today? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Next up, plan your meals ahead of time. Take a few minutes at the start of each week to plan your meals and snacks. This way, you're less likely to grab unhealthy options when you're hungry and in a rush. Meal planning not only saves time, but it also keeps you on track with your healthy eating goals. Scene 3. Keep healthy snacks handy. Let's talk snacks. Having healthy snacks readily available can prevent those midday cravings from turning into a fast food run. Stock your pantry and fridge with options like fresh fruits, veggies, nuts and yogurt. Keeping healthy snacks within reach makes it easier to make the right choice. What's your go-to healthy snack? Let me know in the comments below. Scene 4. Practice mindful eating. Now let's talk about mindful eating. This simply means being aware of what and how you're eating. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This can help you avoid overeating and truly enjoy your meals. Mindful eating helps you appreciate your food and makes healthy eating more enjoyable. Scene 5. Stay consistent and be patient. Finally, stay consistent and be patient. Healthy eating is a journey, not a sprint. It's okay to have an occasional treat, but consistency is what will get you the results you want. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Stay committed and those healthy habits will stick. Call to action. So there you have it. Simple tips to make healthy eating a habit and achieve long-term weight loss. What tip will you start using today? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Calwayne Health TV for more health tips and inspiration. And as always, check out the description box for more information and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.